Mata is a beautiful Hausa song by Ngulde, a talented singer, songwriter, and performer known for creating emotional and meaningful music. In this song, he celebrates the beauty, love, strength, and importance of women. His smooth voice and heartfelt lyrics make the song enjoyable from beginning to end. Ngulde wrote the song with simple but powerful words that connect with listeners. The production features a clean, instrumental, balanced sound and a catchy rhythm that blends well with his vocal performance. The combination of good songwriting, quality production, and a memorable melody has helped the song gain attention among Hausa music fans.
Shafa hoda a kalli gaban miro ni da ban yi boko ba ma na san biro kai da kwari da baka aikin dawa kai uku so uku dai shi ne tara haba muje gulle I like this haba don't do this I like this. Abba, don't do this. Okay, more this. Ashe ba wani babba ba wani yaro.